Hi, I'm Susanna. I'm a former certified financial planner who was made redundant, and after feeling kicked out of the material world of money, I plunged down the rabbit hole of exploring money from an spiritual and energetic and metaphysical place. Now I take the best of those two worlds of wisdom and mash them up together to help me on my journey of home ownership in one of the most expensive cities in the world, Melbourne, Australia. So if you're interested in that, stick around. Today, I am going to share with you my dirty little secret. What is that secret? So you might have noticed in my last two videos, if you watch them, that I've been strategically sitting here. And you might not have thought much of it, but I did. I thought a lot of it. And I did it very specifically. Why? Because I was hiding something. What was I hiding? This chair. Why would anyone hide a chair? I mean, am I hiding it because it's ugly? Am I hiding it because it's beige? Am I hiding it because it's dated? No, I was literally hiding it because it was dirty. I have an exact same chair in my lounge room that was also dirty. I bought these chairs over 3 years ago on Gumtree or Facebook Marketplace, secondhand, and they're from Freedom Furniture, so they're really good quality chairs, and it was a great price. I don't love the color, but I love the chair. I love how comfortable they are and that I can sit cross-legged, and if I was so inclined. My partner has been bugging me, why don't you get rid of these chairs, Susanna? They're big, they're ugly, they're old. And I was like, but I love my chairs. And so I've decided I needed to clean them.
Okay, Miles, how should I tell us your plan?
Alright, Susanna, my plan is to wait for the next 35 to 40 degree day.
Oh, no, it's 35 to 40.
Well,
Okay.
give me,
All right, so
who
a
knows?
hot day.
So anyway, it's going to be an awesome hot day. Get your carpet shampoo, really go over it totally with carpet shampoo earlier in the morning, and then just spray the F out of it.
Spray?
Just spray the F out of it with water, wash all down, and 40 degree, whatever, it'll be dry in a couple of hours, and it's going to be perfect. You couldn't go wrong. It's a great idea.
I had choices. Like I could get new chairs and that would be like 300 minimum just to replace them. Or I could hire a professional cleaner, which I estimated, I know a guy. But I think John, love you John, he would have charged me like $100. Or I could have gone up to Bunnings and got the machine, the steam cleaner myself, and paid at least $50 to $55. And I was going to do that. That was going to be my preferred option because, go me, and I can make a video about showing you how I steam clean it. But then I'm doing my research. I found that I could just clean it at home with a few simple ingredients that I have around the house. So I chose to do that. And the reason I'm sharing this is that I think it's an example of how we can take our purchases and take a little intentionality around them and take them into consideration and decide, what do I really need? Do I really need new chairs? Do I really need to hire a professional? Do I really need to even hire a machine? Or can I do this at home with simple simple resources that I already have on hand? And that's what I chose to do. So I'm going to show you how I did it. So here is some footage of the chair in my study. You can see the arm. It's pretty dirty. The lounge room chair was equally, if not more, dirty. The arms, pretty gross. Cushion from my dirty feet after taking a walk barefoot in the park. Yep, and there's Esky getting in on the action. Hi, Esky. So the technique I used was to spray liberally with a solution of water and dish soap. And then I went at it with an electric toothbrush using an old head, not the same one I brush my teeth with, and just really went over it quite thoroughly to get into the grooves of the fabric and really lift up all that dirt and grease and grime that had been embedded into the fabric. And then I wiped it down really thoroughly with a cloth just to remove all the excess. Once I'd gone over the really badly stained parts with the toothbrush, I went over the entire area again Once again, wetting it down well and using a bit of a soft bristle brush, I just went over in big strokes to make sure that I was sweeping away all the dirt in a really large area. Then I once again went over the entire area with a microfiber cloth, getting away all the excess moisture and lifting up that soap residue as well. So in my study chair where I often sit and work, major improvement in how it feels and the cleanliness of that chair. In the lounge room, really happy with how the chair turned out. It's not absolutely perfect, but I love that it didn't cost me anything, just a little bit of time and effort, and I didn't have to hose down my chair in the driveway. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, keep poppin'.